FoxTradeStrategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a brief look at the markets for today, Wednesday, October 30th. We'll start with the S&P 500, which pushed to a new record high yesterday. Trading outlook for today is mostly mixed, with a survey of investors showing that they expect the S&P 500 to be moderately bullish, and the Dow Jones to be moderately bearish. So we could be looking at muted trading and trading sideways as investors lead up to the major event risk of the day, which is the Fed rate decision later in the afternoon. The euro dropped slightly. It's just below its support level at 137.50. If it were to move on the downside, the next support level is down at 136.60. However, there's some important data coming out early in the European session, which could push it back up again. The pound definitively broke through the bottom of this long-term channel that it's maintaining. This was following a double top, so we could be looking at a new trend forming here. However, we're going to need some more data to confirm that. In the short term, we could have a correction following this long move up to the downside. Support is still at 1.6, and on the upside, we'll be looking at previous support now turned resistance at 1.6150. The Japanese yen had a surprise amount of weakness, and which pushed this pair on the upside. This was in response to data out of China. It came up to resistance level here at 97.30, which is the Fibonacci retracement level. We could be seeing a short-term correction. At most of the downside would be at 97.75, which would be another fib level. Otherwise, continuing strength in the dollar and continuing weakness in the yen, as tomorrow the Bank of Japan has its monthly meeting, and we could be looking at 98.80 as the next level on the upside. Gold also is going through a brief correction after this long move on the upside. It's come off the 1361 resistance level, and it's now at the 1344 support level. Major developments in this commodity is going to really depend on what happens in with the Fed later in the day. Events coming up during the day, things we need to keep an eye out. We have at 8 o'clock GMT Spanish economic data, which has proven to be able to move markets in the past if it comes out to be unexpected. At 8:55 we have unemployment data from Germany, and then further down we have at 12:30 GMT we have inflation data from the United States. This could give investors some forward guidance about what the Fed will be doing later. We also have inflation data from Germany at 1 o'clock, and then finally at 6 o'clock in the afternoon GMT we have the FOMC decision announcement, which is the major event risk of the day. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.